5 Female Body Language Signs of Attraction. In today's video, you'll learn about these signs. Number 1, this is one of the most common signs of a woman's attraction. If a woman is genuinely attracted to you, you'll find her looking at you often. She will make a lot of eye contact with you, but not hold eye contact, unlike men. Instead, she looks down or away when their eyes locked. Number 2, does she smile at you whenever your eyes meet across the room? We're not talking about the polite smile here. If a girl likes you, she won't be able to stop smiling at you. Number 3, if a girl unconsciously plays with her hair, curls it when she's talking to you, it's a sign that she's into you. Number 4, this is one of the most obvious physical signs that a woman is interested in you. When a woman bites her lips while looking at you, she wants you to notice her and know that she finds you attractive. Number 5, nodding is one of the indicators of a woman's interest. If she nods her head when you speak, it means she is encouraging you to keep talking. You have her full attention, and she is listening to you. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.